Welcome back to the Warbird Mistress. Today is Sunday, the 21st of December, 1941, and this is A Walk Through the War. The only activity today is in the American Theater of Operations in the Zone of the Interior in the 1st Air Force on the East Coast. The 152nd Observation Squadron 26 Observation Group adds their flying circus to the squadrons patrolling the coast for U-boats. Flying out of Fort Devens Army Airfield, Massachusetts, a town to the west of Lowell, northwest of Boston, they patrol with a mix of small observation aircraft, including North American O-47s, Curtiss O-52 Owls, Stinson O-49 Vigilants, Aeronca O-58 Grasshoppers, and Piper O-59 Grasshopper or Cubs. And that is all for today, Sunday, the 21st of December, 1941. Thank you for tuning in for another day in our walk through the war. Be sure to subscribe to the playlist, and don't miss an episode. Until next time, this is Claire, and I am the Warbird Mistress. Take care.